Hi everyone, this is Chantel. I am going to be showing you all how to make a basic hospital door hanger, just the basic size. Okay, what you see right now is what you'll need, and I'm going to do it as if I'm just now starting out and I don't have all the supplies that I actually have. So what you'll need is an 11 by 14 top. When I first started out, I actually got them from Walmart, but these actually come from Hobby Lobby. You can get about 5 of them for, I think, $12.99. I think so. And you'll need an 8 by 10 for the bottom piece. Now, these come from Hobby Lobby, but they do sell some at Walmart for about $5 for like 3 of them. You'll need a ruler, the paints. As you can see, I already have one mixed up. I needed a coral pink, and they don't have coral pink, they just have coral. You'll need a cup of water. You can get just any random cup of water to save money. You don't have to constantly keep buying like foam cups or something like that. You can just get an old cup like what I did. And then you'll basically need paint brushes. You can start out cheap with like the $5 ones from Walmart that comes with about, I think, 20 paint brushes. And of course you'll need a pencil and an eraser. Alright, so with this being my first video, I hope I am able to help some people that want to start doing this, and I hope I do pretty good. So once the video is finished, let me know how it goes. So right now we're going to do part 1. There's going to be 3 parts. So part 1, what we're going to do is basically put down the base coat. And for this door hanger, the mom wants a Kate Spade inspired door hanger. So the top canvas base coat is going to be white. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. Now, some of this video I am going to fast forward through, so you do not have to watch me paint and do all that, just like the basic quick things. So what I always do is I always put down a white coat, a coat of white paint. Excuse me. I always put down a coat of white paint first on both the top and the bottom, and it actually helps, because then once I put down the original color, it makes it stand out more, because as you paint, you see, you'll need a couple of coats for it. I usually do 1 or 2 coats of the white, and then I put down the main color. The paint is dry now. I got both of these coats on here, and I went ahead and did this one. Now, the design for the background is going to be black and white stripes. So usually I have my canvas on a board that actually measures 24 inches, but like I said, I'm showing you all how to do with basic things. And as you can see, this is a ruler from Lowe's. It is a yardstick, and it is only 98 cents. I got a big one because I do big door hangers, the wood ones and things like that, but you can actually get one from Walmart for, I think it's 50 cents, and it's a foot ruler. So what you're going to do is you need to line it up right there. And if y'all could bear with me, I am doing this with my hands. You line it up, and I am actually going to do 1 inch lines. Let's get this as close as I can to the edge. And so you can see now, as I do this, I'm actually going to set something on my ruler to hold it there. So as I said, just bear with me. Okay, now get as close as you can to it. You're going to mark each inch. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other side. Get it right there at the edge, as close as you can. Let me set my paint bottle up here. And now I'm going to start from the bottom and go up to the top. Alright, so 10 inches, 9, 'Let's move this down. Alright, now we have those lines done. Now, this is what we're going to do. Take the ruler, and this is the reason why the yardstick actually helps, because with this canvas being an 11 by 14, say if I was doing my design long ways, the foot ruler would not really reach, and it's kind of hard to try and get the exact measurements on it when you have to move it from one side to the other. But as you can see, 14 inches, they go straight across. All right, now we're gonna draw a line right on it. Try to get as close as you can. The closer, the better, because it's more accurate. All right, now let's move it down. And this is what I'm going to do. Just like that. Oh, it moved a smidge. Let's put it. All right. As close as you can. Now, I am going to fast forward through this so you do not have to sit here and watch me draw these lines. So, I will be right back. Okay, so I have it drawn on now, and as you can see, I went ahead and I drew the rectangle that will be this color, and as you can see, I went ahead and did this as well. I drew it on, measured it out. I erased the lines on here, but I left them on here so you can see of how I did, and then I marked each line white, black, white, and on the sides so you can see, and how I made sure everything was even and in line is what I did was I measured down this way and I marked the halfway point on both sides, top and bottom, and I just drew a straight line going right across. So this is part 1. I hope that you watch part 2 and we can work on this together. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a very, very good day.